All right, y'all, so our first stop today is going to be my favorite place that is on every single campus, and that is behind me, the Popp Martin Student Union. Y'all, the union is actually really huge with 3 levels, and I'm gonna abbreviate it and call it a mez level as well. So 3 levels and then a mez level. So many places are there. We have the Starbucks, we have the bookstore, Barnes and Noble, we have an art gallery, we have all the food places, patios across outside of the building, information desk. There's so much in there, and I'm gonna stop talking right now because there's so much to see. So come on in and let's see what the Popp Martin is talking about here at UNC Charlotte.